Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the clip into the trimmer and confirming format and frame rate so your cuts align. Once done, switch to waveform or frame view to see exact edit points. You should set the timeline zoom to fine increments, for example 1/10 of a second, to pick precise in and out points. Make sure audio is synced. If not, enable separate audio waveform display so you can match peaks and avoid drift during later edits. You now mark the in and out points and use shortcuts for precision because mouse dragging is imprecise. Once done, try keyboard nudges of 1 or 5 frames to refine timing. You should decide between ripple trim, which shifts later clips, and lift, which leaves gaps. Use ripple when continuity matters. Also, use shuttle controls to play at varied speeds so you can confirm the cut feels natural. If dialogue is present, listen for breath and consonant attacks to keep speech intact. You finish by trimming any extra frames and adding microfades at edit points to prevent clicks. Once done, export a short test clip at full resolution and codec settings to verify audio and visual integrity. Make sure transitions and levels remain consistent and adjust gain if needed. If something goes wrong, audio drift, glitches, or mismatched frame rates, relink the original media, confirm frame rate conformity, and apply a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.